So the thing about this hotel is it doesn't have a fridge. I've gone through every cupboard, everything. It does not have a fridge. So we're a bit stuck here, and I'm a thirsty boy. So of course I've ordered some beers. And this is my only supply of cold. Now I can either neck them real quick and get the job done in a couple of seconds, or we can try and make this bad boy, cool down these bad boys in some sort of overuse to the word bad boy fashion. So I've got a couple of shirts and some shoes, all right? I'm gonna put the shoes inside the shirts so they don't ruin the, put any marks in the walls, because, you know, I wouldn't like that done in my house. I can't do this with, you know. All right, so we've got our wedges all ready to go. Next minute is we're gonna lose the bedspread. Oh, there she is in all her glory. Hey, there we go. Come around here, sneak in there. Oh, cold and chilly. Ah, so hopefully these will last and time it takes me to drink them. There you have it. The I'm shit out of luck fridge. Yeah. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Cheers. Still cold.